I'm sorry.
Actually, Megan, I am really sorry.
Oh, Christian, off, honestly.
You f***ing spell it wrong.
Why are you two not saying hello to each other?
I don't even know what to say. I didn't expect it to be like that. I didn't want to take me top off. It took a lot of guts to stand here right now for me top off.
Megan, have you got anything to say?
I'm sorry.
This show's naughty, man.
Christian, are you ready to see your tattoo?
Yes.
Come on, Christian. Pick yourself up. Come on, boy.
Right. Jason, can you come help us with the bandages? Thanks, Jason.
I'm sorry. What have you done to him? Christian, if you could turn back time, would you have done this?
Yeah, I would have done this. But I would have done it with a different person, I feel like.
Oh, Megan's upset now, Christian. She's crying. Christian, how many years have you and Megan been friends?
8 or 9.
I think we should count down from 8.
You count down from 8. 8's my lucky number as well.
8,
8,
7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Christian, you may remove your fear goggles.
What's it say? Megan, what the f*** does it say?
My first tattoo.
I don't even think he's realised the worst bit yet.
You f***ing spell it wrong.
Oh, he has now. Megan, can you explain the story behind the tattoo?
I do believe he stitched me up, so I thought, well, to take that little step further and spell it wrong. Maybe that wasn't a good idea.
When I was with Megan, looking at the design, she actually thought, oh, I think he'll find this quite funny. She wasn't ever meaning to hurt your feelings.
I'll admit it is quite funny, like, but...
On that note, Megan, it's your turn. Let's go up to the mirror. Put your goggles on. He's got a big smirk on his face.
Megan,
Yeah.
you do realise that this tattoo was so bad that Joey tried to prevent it from happening.
Hugh, can you come and help remove the bandages? This is naughty.
Actually, Megan, I am really sorry.
Megan, how many letters are in the word tattoo?
6.
Shall we count down from 6 then? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may remove your fear goggles, Megan.